begins. Pulses rising, breaking the chains. No words spoken, but can you feel? The scene unfolds, it's surreal. Ripples dancing in a shallow time. Microseconds where the futures collide. Hold my vision, I can steer. Echoes of tomorrow growing clear. So let it drift, stay or rewind. This loop's a loop through time. Design, the sound begins, sharp and profound. The intro echoes, the cycle unbound. Softly call, echoes dancing in the hall. A gentle pulse like distant ring through the vast and quiet plain. Lights that shimmer, fade and bloom, colors painting through the gloom. Worlds collide in subtle hue, a breath of life in every view. Shadows stretch and gently bend, harmonies that never end. A trail of stars where dreams unfold, and stories whispered yet untold. Let it drift just like the sea, a boundless wave of mystery. Flowing tides that ebb and glow, a timeless rhythm, soft and slow. Feel the calm and let it stay. Hear the world in its own way, a symphony of soft delight. Embrace the day, merge with the night. Shadows stretch and gently bend, harmonies that